Alright guys, today we are going to be working on the YJ because I noticed I have a light that is out, and unfortunately on these you can just reach back here and there's normally a light bulb and you just pull it out and replace it. So we are changing the entire layout today. That's what we're doing. Should be quick, easy install. I believe we have to take this cover off because I believe it comes out this way. So yeah, if you have a light that is out on your YJ or older, I don't know if the TJs are the same way. I heard that they are, but I'm not going to say that I know for sure. But yeah, you have to take the entire light out because you cannot take the light bulb out. It is one unit. That's why we are changing the entire light. So I got new lights. So we're gonna pop these ones out and put the new ones in, and hopefully they work. So yeah, let's get started. All right. So to start with, you're gonna need Phillips. Screw here, screw here, screw here, and screw over here. So there's 4 screws. Take this out. This one looks like it's been out a few times because I keep slipping on it. Unless I have the wrong side screwdriver. Nope, that's just been stripped out before. Should do this with a drill, but I don't have a drill at the moment. That's probably why these are rounded out, because they probably used the drill and slipped. So I believe, yep, that just comes right out. Now, I'm not sure. Okay, so there's this, I don't know if you guys can see this at all, but there's 2 screws on the bottom, 2 screws up top. And there might be one on the side. I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like. Unless, I do know there's just 2 clips back here. But, oh, that's a trim piece? Okay. I'm going to unplug this so I don't rip the plug out. Maybe it's only attached from the top because it doesn't look like it's attached from the bottom. Okay. I don't think these screws have ever been out. Oh, she's dry. She's a dry one. This one's probably just as dry. Turn it. That one is not turning. There we go. Probably should put WD-40 on this, but I don't have that with me either. To my other garage, which I should have brought over. Yeah. She's a little dry too. A little bit strict. Okay. Oh, well. I'm so glad I took that screw out. I don't know what that is. Oops. Sorry. And that falls right out. That was pretty easy, I gotta say. Stink bug in there. See what I mean? You have to replace the whole light because there's no access to the light bulb. So that was actually easy. So I got these new headlights. I found them on Amazon for like $33, I want to say. And these are going to be quite an upgrade. They're LEDs. And our plug. And we obviously can't change it out, so we have to change the whole light if these go out. But they'll be brighter. Not that I drive this much at night, so I'm going to take this tape off. And I don't even know how to really install this. Do we put the trim back on and screw it in? How do I know if it's the right way? Should we plug it in? I want to plug it in. See which way we should flip it. Okay. So the high beams are going to be on top. Maybe. Oh, probably blinding you guys, right? So those are on top right now. So probably want to flip this, right? Oh, okay. Yeah. Do I want to flip those? Let me flip them. Let me just flip this. See how I like it this way. So, yeah, as you can see, this light over here, not as bright compared to that one. And this light is the one that is out. So this is the light that I'll be replacing. As soon as I hit the high beams, it goes off. So the low beam does not work in that. Yeah, that's probably the way I want it. Right? Is that the way you guys want it? I feel like that's the way you want to do it. Yeah. Lights on the bottom, so when you turn the high beams on, the high beams are up here. That makes sense to me, right? Makes sense to you guys? Oh, let me know. I'm just doing what I think is right. 'Cause I don't know. That's the way I would have it. So we're gonna install it that way. Alrighty. I'm gonna put this trim back on, like so, and then put the screw back in. This other one, screw over here. That trim piece is supposed to do, but it holds it kind of in place. I feel like there should be screws on the bottom, but oh yeah. I'm just a dumb mechanic over here. Doesn't feel right. It's not right. So it has to be that way. Did it hang there? That's weird. Okay. And then we're gonna put this around it. And that should hold it. And just like that. I don't know why they use stainless steel on this side, but they use steel screws on the inside. Doesn't make sense to me. I would want stainless steel on the inside and outside. Probably should replace that, but whatever. Alrighty, that was easy. Okay, I don't like it. Did I do something wrong? I don't know if I like this. I don't know. That's how they're supposed to be installed. Except I don't know if I like it. It doesn't really sit in place. I don't know. Let me do the other one real quick. Might have to take this one apart because I don't really like it. Let's see how the other one fits. I'll see if maybe the light should be on top, not on the bottom. I could actually just look at the direction. Oh, I think I drew one. I'm a genius. But yeah, that's how you install lights. If it wobbles, you obviously I think you did something wrong. So don't do that. Don't do wrong. Do right. I might have to flip that around, but we'll see. So, anyways, I'll see you guys later after I have both of these in and whatever the fuck this is, and then I'll show you what they look like, right? So, when I took this light out compared to that light, I noticed I was right. There is 2 screws on the bottom and 2 screws up on top. Mine are aluminum screws, and it looks like they corroded themselves in there, so I could only get the bottom ones out. I can't get the top ones out, so I was able to bend this just enough to squeeze the light out through the bottom and then right on out. But obviously take those 2 screws up top and down on the below, and then take the whole thing out. If you can. If you can't, then fucking, I don't know, use something, get that out, and then replace the screws. But I'm cheap, so I'm not replacing them, and I don't care about this. So, I'm gonna put the new one in and see which light is up and down, and then see if we can't get it to fit inside here better than over there. Here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna take you guys off this. There we go. So it's not dark outside, it's during the day, but I turned the lights off in here. That's why it seems a little dark. It is cloudy today, so hopefully that helps. But I got both of the lights in. This one I took apart again, and I got it to not as wiggle as much, but I guess not. The piece that holds it around here where you unscrew the bottom pieces, I don't know if that's broken or what, but it seems not to be right. But this one is right, so I'm assuming this one's broken, so that's why it moves. I tried to fix it, but it didn't work, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, got those installed, and I just want to show you guys how bright they actually are. So these are the low beams. If I can hit the button. Those are low beams. Those are high beams. Low beams, high beams. If I ever get this out during the night, I can see. And if I am home at night, I will show you guys what they look like at night if I'm here. But until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you like, subscribe, and continue to watch for more content coming. Alright, see you in the next one.